welcome to our second lesson about our video tutorial about creating an app with code.org. So let's starting. Okay, this is what we have now. This is our screen 1 and this is our screen 2. Okay, and those are exactly the links. When we have now the first lesson we did, we have the next button. Okay, we have the next button. We have a link to the screen page. Okay, the next button we link to the screen 2, and the back button we link it to go back to that page. That's when we click here and go to screen number 2 and click back and go back to the screen number 1. That's what we did on lesson 1. So now we are going to add a new screen. We are going to add a new screen that's gonna be called homepage. So the screen homepage is going to have a scroll down page, a scroll down tab over here. Okay, that's a scroll down that's going to go to screen 1, and screen 2. Okay, so when I click on, so we have the first thing we have to modify on our we have already coding on next and back. Okay, so we have to delete that because now the back button is going to go not here, going to keep going to a screen here. So this we are going to modify this because we already have that. We are going to modify this to go here. This have nothing, so we are going to create it. Remember this, on the screen 2 we have to modify this code, and on screen 1 we are going to create it. Okay, create this to go here. So every time we click back on any page we create, we are going to go here to the home page. Okay, and here we have already the next button to go next. Okay, and this will be to the next also when we create it, if we create a new one. Okay, but all back buttons are going to go to our home page. Okay, that's why we have now, we are going to modify on the screen 2, modify this and create on screen 1. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's the scheme that I just explained to you. This is what I have on our coding. You see, this is the screen number 1. This is already, that's the next button, and this one is the back button. Okay, on screen number 2. This is number 1 and this is screen number 2. Okay, so now we have to, here on banana we have to add the back button, and on strawberry we have to modify this. Okay, so that's, but before we have to create, because we don't have that new. You see, we only have screen 1 and screen 2. We don't have the third one. Okay, so we are going to create it. Okay, so we go to design, go here, and create a new screen. New screen is going to have, we can add a picture. Remember that is our design. We can place it, we can put it bigger, wherever. We have, this is going to be the screen 3. We are going to call, we click here and say it's going to be the home page. We are going to modify. Remember, we can modify the background. Every time is the same. Okay, if you want the same color, for example, home page, you want the same color than screen 1, or screen 2. Remember, for example, say, okay, I want screen 1 to have exactly the same green because I don't know which screen I have right now. Okay, so okay, it say okay, screen 1 and homepage have different color. You see this background color here? You can copy, Control C, go to screen number 1, and then Control V. So here is exactly the same color. You see now you have exactly the same color, background color on both. Okay, so now we go back to home page and we are going to put a drop down. Remember the drop down, you have all the options here. You know, we already saw on lesson 1, change the color, the size, font size. You can change font size or whatever, the align, you know, the colors, whatever you want here. Okay, and here on option 1 we're going to write here choose, you know. So the first one is I tell you later what I put choose there. I click enter, banana and strawberry. So we have those 3 drop down. We go to home page again because we have to code first. Okay, but we have here choose, we have the 3 options here. Okay, choose banana and strawberry, we have it there. We will see them later. Okay, so now if we want to, when I click on run, to go to the home page first, we go to code, and remember those are only the names, you know, those are just common functions, you know. This doesn't work anything, you know, at all for our coding. So it's just for comments. So we make another comment here on the tab and write down inside home page screen. So that's every coding is going to be here on home page screen. The first thing we are going to do is say I want to appear the first one. It's going to be set screen. You know, we can put it even on the tab. Set screen on home page. So now when I click on run, the first screen is going to appear is this one. You see here now we have the 3 options. Choose. Okay? Because we didn't set up any image on the design, you know, this is empty. We click here and we can add an image. You know, we upload any image we want. We can download from internet. We go to internet, we say fruit images. Okay, we here go images. Okay, if we want fruit drawings, here they are. Okay, so we choose one, no matter what. Okay, we can choose this one. So we see how big it is, 500 for 350. So that's okay. So we say save image as, and we go to our code app, food, and write down here fruit. Okay, so we have it already. So we go back to our file, let's say upload, and we have this fruit. we go to home page. So now we have the drop down. When I see the home page here, when I choose banana, go to banana. Okay. So we are going to select an on event on the home page. On event.